Let's go to Staples. Okay, I looked to see if they have some camera mounts. They don't have any camera mounts. So let's go see about the computer chairs. Oh, let's see. If they're expensive, then I'm just gonna order one online. Oh, let me show y'all what I got. I ended up getting this one, the black one that I showed y'all. And it's $59.99. Okay guys, I'm so happy I got my chair. So let's see, because I don't have no more screws. So that means I'm done putting everything that I needed to screw together. Okay. So let's see if I put this on correctly. Because if I didn't, the H-E-double-L with it, you hear me? Let's see if I got it right now. Just enough to fit to this table right here. It's just right, y'all. I got enough leg space. So I am all done. This is my chair. I finally got it together. So now I'm gonna get all this mess up off the floor really quick. So let me show y'all my little lamp. So this is my little lamp right here. I can turn the switch on and off. All I gotta do is get me some pictures here. And Alexa, play.
What do you want me to play?
I want you to, and then I can do my hair. We're praying for bigger and better things, and I want to feel like I'm accomplishing something. Anyway, Alexa off. I can turn in my chair, but I'm gonna get me a little cup, one of those little things where I have me some pens and stuff like that on here. Make it feel like a little mini office in my room.